Senseonics Holdings, ticker symbol SENS, is revolutionizing the healthcare industry with their new technology, and their stock price is loving it, as well as investors. We've seen the stock price go from 40 cents a share just in the last couple of months, from 40 cents a share all the way up to $2.30 per share is where it's trading at now. Now, I know a lot of people are comparing this stock, like, could it be the next BNGO? Is this the next bio-nanogenomics? But, really, they're in two different sectors, okay? They're both focused on different things. They're completing different goals. And I'm going to say, no, it's not the next bio-nanogenomics because they're not competitors. They're not doing the same thing. But that doesn't mean that this isn't an excellent opportunity to make some huge gains for our portfolios in 2021. So let's talk a little bit about where this stock price could go in the future, what resistance looks like on a technical analysis standpoint, and whether or not we should have Senseonics Holdings in our portfolio. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're just going to grow together. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and become a bro. And if you share this video on stock tweets, make sure to tag me there as well, @ClayBro, so I can follow you. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about Senseonics Holdings and what they do, kind of where their stock price is going, and what we can expect in the way of resistance. So if you're not too familiar with what Senseonics Holdings does, they have revolutionized the continuous glucose monitoring system. They have a very small implantable device that you implant right under the skin, and it's able to continuously monitor your blood glucose level, and it sends updates, I think, every 5 minutes to an easy-to-use app on your phone, and allows people with diabetes to really monitor and take control of their lives. Now, I know you might be thinking, well, this is a small niche sector, this isn't a lot of... But look, if they're revolutionizing the industry and they're making huge moves, they're going to stand out from their competitors. They're already doing that. And when we're investing in a business, we want to invest in the best, right? And Senseonics Holdings is doing just that. They're pulling away from the competition. They're revolutionizing this technology that they have, and they've got the first mover advantage. So they have a lot going for them just in the way of what they're doing as a company. So let's talk a little bit about the stock price. We've watched this stock price go from 40 cents a share to $2.30 per share is what it's trading at now. Now, I know a lot of people might be thinking the run is over. It's too late to get in now. Well, we could have said the same thing about all of these other stocks that we've watched 20x, 30x, 40x just in the last year alone, right? Now, if we would have thought that bio-nanogenomics was too expensive when it hit $2 per share, we wouldn't have been able to capture all of the gains that we've seen just in the last couple of weeks. So let's talk about this share price and kind of where we could see levels of resistance. It's currently trading around $2.30 per share, and I believe that we could get into some more resistance at the $3 per share mark. Now, this does give us a lot of room to the upside to move, but it doesn't necessarily say that we're going to go all the way to $3 per share before we experience a pullback. No, stocks trade in waves. They go up, they go down, and they have an overall or an underlying trend that they follow. So I do believe that as the bulls advance Senseonics Holdings, we can see this stock price go all the way to $3 per share before we see some technical analysis resistance. Now, if we're able to break through this, if we get some great news, if the company makes even bigger developments in this industry, and we break through the $3 per share mark, we're really not going to see any technical resistance until we get to $4 to $4.50 per share, some of the all-time highs that we've seen. Now, why is this big news? Because when we have the all-time highs sitting around $4.50 per share, or a little bit above $4 per share, once we break above that level, the bulls are home free, and this stock can finally soar. How high can it go? There's no ceiling that a stock price can hit, and then investors just say, well, that's it. The stock price can't go any higher because it's reached its limit. Well, that's the beautiful thing about investing when a company continues to innovate. When they continue to make waves in the industry and really revolutionize the technology, there's nothing to hold them back to say that, well, that's as high as the stock price can go. We're done making money on it and we can't make any more. So with that being said, I'm looking for levels of resistance around the $3 per share mark and then the $4 per share mark. And then from there, the sky is the limit. So once we do break through that $4, $4.50 per share mark, really the home stretch, we're in the home stretch and we're set free. This stock can soar and go really as high as it wants to. So I believe that this company is innovating. They're doing great things. Their revenue is growing. If you look at the revenue from 2017, 18, and 19, they've been steadily growing their revenue, which I love to see in a company that we can invest in. So really, they've checked all of the boxes on the list of companies that I believe would be good opportunities, not only in the short term or over the next year, but really in the long term as well. If they establish themselves as the go-to company for blood glucose monitoring systems, this could really, it could just take off and it could continue to grow and grow and grow, not only in 2021, but in the years to come. So guys, I always love to know who's holding Senseonics Holdings. It gives us an excellent opportunity and view into where we think investors could go with this stock, kind of what the plays are and what our plans are for the future. So if you have SENS in your portfolio, let us know down in the comments below kind of what price you got in at, if you're able to capture all of the gains that we've seen recently, and whether or not this is going to be a short-term hold for you or if you're in it for the long haul. So let us know down in the comments below. And guys, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, I don't know why, you got one more shot. Click the subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. And if you like the video, please share it on StockTwits and make sure to tag me there as well, @ClayBro. So until the next time, I hope that all of you guys have an awesome day.